Imagine the night stretching endlessly ahead of you, highway lights glowing like a string of quiet promises. You step closer, and there it is, the 2026 GMC Savana extended wheelbase limousine camper conversion. Less a vehicle and more a moving sanctuary. This isn't something you simply drive, it's something you inhabit. From the outside, its presence is undeniable. Long, confident, unapologetically substantial. The extended wheelbase gives it a limousine-like profile, smooth and deliberate, as if it's designed to glide rather than roll. The paint reflects city lights like liquid metal, while subtle chrome accents catch your eye without shouting for attention. This Savana doesn't chase trends, it owns its identity. Tinted windows hint at secrets inside, and as you walk around it, you realize this is a vehicle built for people who value space, privacy, and freedom in equal measure. Pull open the door, and the world changes instantly. The sound of the city fades, replaced by a soft, insulated quiet. Inside, the cabin feels more like a luxury lounge than a van. Plush leather seating wraps around you, cool to the touch at first, then warming as you settle in. Your hand brushes across stitched panels, real wood accents, brushed metal details. Everything feels intentional, substantial, crafted. Overhead, ambient LED lighting glows gently, adjustable to match your mood, blue for calm, amber for warmth, soft white for focus. This is where the limousine camper conversion truly shines. The layout invites you to relax, to stretch out, to breathe. There's space to recline, space to work, space to simply exist. A built-in entertainment system hums quietly to life, screens lighting up with cinematic clarity. At night, the cabin transforms into a cocoon, privacy curtains drawn, lights dimmed, the outside world reduced to a distant memory. Whether you're parked under the stars or cruising through downtown streets, it feels the same, safe, controlled, indulgent. Then there's the camper side of its soul. Storage compartments are seamlessly integrated, hiding functionality behind elegance. A compact kitchenette, clever power solutions, climate control that keeps the cabin perfectly balanced no matter the weather outside. This Savana doesn't force you to choose between luxury and utility. It blends them so well you forget they were ever separate ideas. Slide into the driver's seat, and the experience becomes even more personal. The seats support you like it's been shaped just for your body. Ahead, the dashboard is familiar yet refined, modern tech paired with GMC's rugged confidence. Turn the key and the engine comes alive with a deep, reassuring tone. Not aggressive, confident. The kind of sound that tells you this vehicle is built to go the distance. On the road, the Savana moves with surprising grace. Yes, it's big, but it's composed. The suspension smooths out imperfections, turning rough pavement into a gentle rhythm beneath you. Acceleration is steady and controlled, ideal for long journeys where comfort matters more than speed. Highway cruising feels effortless, the engine humming quietly as miles disappear beneath the wheels. You sit higher than most traffic, giving you a commanding view of the road ahead, a subtle reminder that you're in something special. And then there's the emotion it evokes. This isn't about adrenaline, it's about freedom, about the idea that you can leave whenever you want, take comfort with you, and arrive without compromise. It's for long conversations at rest stops, for quiet mornings parked by a lake, for late night drives when the world feels wide open. Of course, exclusivity comes at a price. The 2026 GMC Savana extended wheelbase limousine camper conversion typically lands in the range of $120,000 to $180,000 depending on customization. And yes, that's significant, but this isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice. A private jet for the road, a rolling penthouse that answers to no schedule but your own. As the lights blur past and the cabin glows softly around you, one thing becomes clear. This Savana isn't trying to impress everyone. It's built for those who understand that true luxury isn't loud, it's quiet, spacious, and deeply personal. And once you experience it, the road will never feel the same again.